Catch up it up and come. Yeah, man.
Dwayne is the rock.
Catch up,
He
man.
sure is the rock.
That is it.
Colin say
You
the
see
rock.
that? That is it. That is it. That's enough to tell them something, Colin. Colin and I. Yeah.
That's how he actually introduces himself. Dwayne like the rock. Can you imagine?
Yep, then get it. Listen.
No, me not okay. Me don't know it.
Sounds that?
She mean. Or she just a laugh. She laugh for you. She
No,
repeat
can you
what
just
say.
tell me okay, babe? I mean, okay. Look on this. You don't think say that done already? Not true. I'll look at this now. Never go all the way back in at this.
Just a while ago, Babe was laughing at me when I took 75 minutes
No,
to actually
no.
cornrow this long hair. So I'm supposed to see how long my hair was. He was like,
I mean, if
I've
laughing
been
babe.
at it for a long while. He was like bickering, like complaining, whining. Anyways, no,
But me still take
the
less time,
joke is
babe.
on you,
Joke on who? I don't feel here.
babe. You literally took 1 hour to crochet.
75 minutes is more than 1 year, babe.
Babe,
No 1
crochet
year.
takes 30 minutes. It's that easy.
So me cannot do it then, babe.
Because my husband has to be involved.
No, me can't watch, babe. That I involved.
Don't what? Why? No, some of the pan live. We can't do that, no, girl. What I do? You not do nothing.
What?
I don't do it. Cross my leg. Tell me what I do. Come in and listen what you say.
What's if you make a blood flow? You're not scared of it,
No, stop not squeezing no belly. They put up their leg here because they might get heavy and all. My mama always tell me that. That I problem with my mama. They might tell you things and tell you why they might tell you.
Aren't you pregnant?
Yeah, I guess so.
Mama could have seen you now.
Said me I hurt the baby leg. See baby leg here. The baby leg up here so. Me not hurt no baby leg. I think that is superstition. Cause the baby leg they up here so. Up here so. Always I get all the kicking. So I think, yeah, laugh off of me. I know you may laugh off of them, may laugh off of just what old people think. That's it. No, but Marla from my mama is old. Well, was she's not anymore. Yeah.
So, babe, anything. Yeah, too much of brain. Come and think if you go and lose out, you don't go faster.
You always tell me if you not lose out, can you do it better?
Yeah, but we now raise our fucking friends and stuff. Yeah, we live on it. We're going for 2 hours.
Oh, really?
You're supposed to have a good stats. Didn't it? 1930 and yeah, but no going. And traffic.
Them come. Are they home now? The boys, are they back home? Not yet. Them so come. Then how you I say good night, my girl.